place where life moves in harmony, where every sound, every movement, and every creature tells a story. Today, we take a peaceful journey through the beauty of animals in their natural environment. From the open grasslands to the deep forests, nature is full of wonder and life. Watch as these amazing animals move freely in the wild, living as nature intended. Every animal has its own beauty. The gentle steps of a deer, the powerful walk of a lion, the calm presence of elephants, and the graceful flight of birds. Nature reminds us that beauty exists in every form of life. The sounds of the forest, the flowing water, and the soft breeze create a peaceful atmosphere that brings calm to the heart. Animals live by instinct, strength, and survival. Each moment in the wild is filled with purpose. Some animals move slowly and peacefully, while others are active and full of energy. Every scene shows the balance of life. The beauty of nature is not only in what we see, but also in what we feel. Peace, freedom, strength, and connection. As we continue this journey, take a moment to appreciate the incredible beauty of the natural world. These animals remind us how precious nature truly is. From sunrise to sunset, life continues in perfect rhythm. Every movement is natural. Every sound is real. Every moment is beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this relaxing wildlife journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful nature and animal videos. Stay connected with nature and let its beauty inspire you. See you in the next video.